How to schedule, estimate quantity and cost of rebars 12mm diameter at 0.8 meters on center both ways in CHB wall in Revit. Create shared type parameter. Select new. Type rebar cost. Type of parameter currency. Okay. Go to project parameters. Select add. Go to shared parameter. Select rebar cost. Okay. Select type. Group parameter under identity data. Then select the walls. Okay. Create global parameter to assign in our rebar cost parameter. Go to global parameters. Create new global parameter. Type rebar cost. Type of parameter currency. Group parameter under identity data. Okay. Put the price, say 45. Apply. Okay. Assign rebar cost from global parameter into a wall. Select the 100mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type. Check rebar cost. Then pick and select the rebar cost. Okay. Apply. Okay. Let's select the 150mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type. Check rebar cost. Pick and select rebar cost. Apply. Okay. Select the 200mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type. Check rebar cost. Select rebar cost. Okay. Apply. Okay. Create schedule quantities for wall under schedule tab. Go to view, schedules quantity, new construction. Select walls. Okay. Then under schedule fields, insert the following: type, area, and rebar cost. Select type, insert. Select area, insert. Select rebar cost, insert. Okay. Then add calculated parameter and name it rebar quantity in kilogram. Add calculated parameter. Type rebar quantity in kilogram. For the formula, select area. Okay. Over 1. Open and close parentheses. Times 3.32. Open and close parentheses. Then times 0.888. Open and close parentheses. Then times 1.10. Okay. Move up. Note 3.32 is the total length of rebar for CHB work in linear meter per square meter. 0.888 is the weight of 12mm diameter rebar in kilogram per linear meter. 1.10 is the plus 10% allowance. Add calculated parameter and name it total cost. type total cost, type currency. For the formula, select rebar quantity times rebar cost. Okay. Then go to sorting and grouping, check grand totals, formatting, total cost, alignment, right, field format. Okay, calculate totals, rebar cost, alignment, right, field format. Okay, rebar quantity, alignment, right, field format, uncheck, select fix 2 decimal places, use digit grouping, calculate totals, area, alignment right, check field format, uncheck 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay, calculate totals, go to appearance, uncheck blank row before data. Okay, let's see the schedule. Okay, you have this type, the 3 types of wall, you have the area, you have the quantity in kilogram, the rebar cost, and the rebar total cost. Now let's try to change the price for the rebar. Go to global parameters, say 48, apply. Okay, now we have the revised total cost. Thank you.